Hello guys. Yes, my pantry has been stressing me out. The way it was looking, I could not think straight. I could not function in this mess. And there's some food in here I have no use in like a year or two, so they gotta go. Look at this. Amazing, right? If you want to see how I transform my pantry from whatever that was to this, keep on watching.
I'm gonna clean it up. I'm gonna clean it up because it's a mess. I'm ashamed of myself. But I'm going to clean it up. I'm gonna get rid of a lot of junk that I don't cook anymore, a lot of food I don't cook anymore. Our diets have changed dramatically over the year. So there's certain food I don't cook anymore, but they're still in here. The beginning of the year, I have cleaned my seasoning stuff, but I have not cleaned the one that are in here. So I'm going to get rid of some. I'm pretty sure some of them are expired, and some of my African food, I'm gonna go through them. The ones that are expired, get rid of them, throw it away. But yeah, y'all, I gotta get it together. all the empty boxes. I wanted to clean them first before put them in, like the snack and the cereal boxes containers. But I'm going to just put them in right now and put them where I want them. I want them to be, because I know I'm gonna use those definitely. So I'm gonna put those in, and I'm gonna put the cereal containers also in, and then because I know I'm gonna use those, and then start taking things that I know I'm gonna need, put them in one by one. And tomorrow I will wash the containers and then fill them up. And then I will be working on my seasoning stuff, my food, the stuff. I get rid of a lot of food already, and I'm pretty sure I want to get rid of more. So definitely, I'm gonna do that tonight. Then tomorrow I will go ahead and clean the containers. Alright, because I had to season this meat tonight. I don't want to put it in the fridge without not seasoning. So I'm going to definitely go ahead and season it after I finish all of this. I have a lot to do. Earlier, I'm going to take this out tomorrow or next day so to wash the containers, all the empty containers and all the seasonal stuff, all the empty containers, yeah. And also I'm thinking to trash these. I had these for like over 5 years now. This set, I think I want to get rid of it, like trash it or donate it, I don't know. But I'm not sure. It's cute, but I'm just not sure, like, if I need it, because I have a lot of empty containers. Yeah. To yourself, like, you look at your own house, you look at your house, it's messy and all, and you're like, how I would get there? My sister, my brother, relax. You know, I'm literally doing this because this is my happy place. If this is not your happy place, if it's not, don't frustrate yourself. If sleep is your happy place, I'm just saying, as a parent, I don't know if I'm making sense. I'm kind of like a little bit sleepy. But as a parent, let me tell you, whatever you do take care of it. Okay? Don't worry about it. Don't even bother yourself about it. So just try to clean and organize it. It's that simple. It's one money. Your pets and you actually bother it like it kind of ruin your whole day. It makes the whole day ruin your family days. Don't worry about cake. Don't do that. But if you just enjoy watching me cleaning, organizing, this is the channel for you while you are here. Please go ahead and subscribe. Alright, so let's just continue. I'm just, just hearing myself think and be like, somebody might be watching this as a mom and be frustrated, like, oh, I wish I can do this, I wish I can do that. If this is not your happy place, like I keep repeating, don't do it. Do what makes you happy so you can give your all to your family. It's very important, okay? Do what makes you happy. Don't frustrate yourself just because somebody else has looked good. And listen, the house will look good. The kids gonna grow. They're gonna grow and they're gonna leave. And when they leave, you can get your house organized however you want. But for now, in this season that you are in, that God has blessed you to be in, my sister, my brother, enjoy it. Enjoy every moment of it. Me personally, when my house is a mess, when my house is not organized and it's dirty, I can't give myself all to my family. I cannot. So I have to make sure I sacrifice my sleep just to get this done. I love sleeping, but I love this moment. So I rather sacrifice 2 or 3 hours of my sleep just to get this so I can be in a good mood. I can give back to my family. I can give myself back to my family in a great mental place. Okay? I hope I make sense. This video, I didn't want it to be long, but clearly I just took 6 minutes already, so it's gonna be long. So yeah. I'm so let me show you all the progress that I've made. Another day to clean them so they can dry. Then I'll put the food stuff in there. The food that I'm going to use is right here and right here. All the food stuff is right there. I put these things here just temporarily to make it look for me, like make it look more. Definitely take them out. I might buy them like more black containers. Maybe like 2 or 1 should be enough, but this one is kind of pretty much empty. Yes, this, you know what? The stickers that are showing out here is kind of like throwing me off. Me and my okay, much better. Okay. So this is how it's looking like. I like the way this look now. Yes, and I'll clean these containers too. These containers over here, I'm gonna get rid of those and put them in the container because these are all my seasoning stuff. Right now, me cooking, my seasoning is pretty much simple. It's not, I'm not doing anything crazy. I just need ginger powder, onion powder, garlic powder, and that's pretty much it. Like, those are the 3 seasons that I really use on the go. And I use like chicken flavor, the chicken or the beef flavor, and salt. Those are my my go-to seasoning. So I want to keep it very simple, very just easy. So I'm gonna get rid of these. So there they're just gonna be here for now. Once I wash, clean those, then I'll put them in there. You know, you might be thinking, what are these stuff in these containers? This is what I used to do my watcher. If you know, you know. I'm an African, okay? African. This is like a comb. If you know, you know. But yeah, that's my ginger powder right there. Normally I buy the organic one. Sam's Club or I don't know. I pretty much buy everywhere that I can find it less cheap. That's what I mean, like less expensive. But yeah, we do a lot of movie nights, so we definitely use popcorn, a lot of popcorn. But yeah, and I put all the stainless silver, whatever cup here. And the other cup, we do have more cup in the cupboard too for the kids. So definitely might fill this one up, take each one out. But these two containers here are empty, which I like. I like empty. Okay? I like empty. I know it's crazy, but I do.
Yep, and this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video because I do enjoy recording it, enjoy organizing. I also have another video where I did my pantry and I give into more detail than this one where I told you where I bought everything from. So don't forget to check that out. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.